log into your ZipPay account after forgetting your password here, the very first thing that you can do is you can either launch the website or the application of Zip. If you want to launch the website, you can get into zip.co, and then from here tap on the menu bar on the top right corner, and you'll be able to get that option customer login. Tap on it and you'll be able to get into the login page of ZipPay, right? So if you're on the application, you can get that login button in front of you, tap on it and get into the login page. All you need to do is add in your email address. Once you do that, you can tap on continue and add in the password of your account. So in here, if you have unfortunately forgotten your password, then you can tap on the option continue with your passkey and use your passkey in order to log into your account like that too. Or else, if you do not have either your passkey or your password, then you can tap on the email address, type in email address, and then when you tap on continue, there will be the option of forgot password on the bottom of the box. Tap on that forgotten password, and then you'll need to go along with the process of how you'll be able to reset it. Once you reset it, you can come back to your login page and use that new password, and you'll be able to log into your ZipPay account after that.